Here we got the, I got a brand new DBPower EX5000. And so I put a card in there on this side. You can see it has a little spring loaded. It's a 32 gigabyte, just a generic micro SD card. Goes inside like that. So here's the power button. So you press and hold that. And while you do, you'll see this little blue light go on, and then this screen will light up. And here's what we're going to do. So a couple things to do to set it up. So in order to get to the menu, you press this button. So we went from shooting mode to Wi-Fi mode, and now press it again and you go to playback mode. And then press it again, and then you get to the menus. And there's 6 screens of menus, 1 through 6. So you can page down using these up and down buttons, and that'll highlight whatever setting you want to change. So we're going to go to screen 6 and go to format. So in order to select the highlighted item on the menu, you have to press the OK button. I know it's a lot of buttons, right? And it says all the data will be deleted. So I want to say OK. So I want to press down to select OK. Press the OK button, and it formatted that card, which there wasn't anything on the card, so it didn't take very long. Otherwise, it would just take a few seconds. Now I want to go to time and date. I want to set the time and date. So here, date/time. Press the OK button, and there you get your options. So right now it's the ominous year of 2020 up. And then in order to select OK, and then up increases, down decreases the number. So today's the 10th month and the 26th day. And then you can go backwards too. So you can go backwards from 31. And then there's the time. So let's see, what time of day is it? It is 10:29. So we're going to go to, oh, that's the year. No, that's right. That's the time. 10. We'll go 30. Because by the time I get this set up, it'll be 10:30. Okay, that's that. So now in order to save that, you press this power button one more time, and you get out of that. And now if I press it again, I go back to shooting mode, and it says 10:30, 2020, 10:26. So that's how you do that. That's how you set the date and the time on a DBPower EX5000 camera. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and share and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. And if it wasn't helpful, give it a thumbs down. That's fine too. But thumbs up are appreciated if you did like it. And comment with any questions. Thanks. Bye. Oh, have a great day. See if you can help someone today. Thank you.